Hey guys, I'm gonna show a practice through which you can overcome your fear which leads to anxiety. You have to do exactly what I'm trying to say here. So yeah, let's get started. You have to draw a tiny circle like this and one more circle a little bigger than the smaller one. And after that, a larger circle than the two of them. Now what you have to do is write fear in the smaller circle. In this small circle of fear, you have to write the current fear you are feeling. For example, my current fear is not making enough money. So I have written in the smaller circle of fear. Now what you have to do is, in the second circle, you have to write feeling, fear. In this feeling fear, you have to write all the feelings you are feeling from this fear. So like here I have written all the feelings that I am feeling related to this fear. Now what you have to do is, you have to write benefits. Benefit as in by pushing past this fear. Like what are the benefits you are going to get अगर आपने इस fear को हटा दिया तो. After writing all the benefits, I want you to take a second and look at this fear and look at how small is your fear with comparison to the feeling. And it's a valid feeling क्योंकि हमारा brain हमको normally protect करता है किसी भी emotion से. So yeah, and then look at the benefits you are getting after pushing past this fear. Save this video and follow this practice so you can use this with any fear you have. If you like my video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.